Welcome to our channel. Today we how to hide likes on Instagram posts, feature guide step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap Settings and Privacy to enter Instagram's main settings area. Scroll down to the section called What You See and tap Like and Share Counts. Find the option called Hide Like and Share Counts. Turn on Hide Like and Share Counts to hide like counts on posts from other accounts you view. Go back one screen to confirm the toggle stays enabled. Now return to your home feed to see that like counts are no longer shown on posts. If you want to hide likes on your own existing post, go to your profile again. Tap the post where you want to hide the like count. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Tap Hide Like Count to remove the like number from that specific post. Check the post right away to make sure the like count is hidden successfully. Repeat the same three-dot step for any other older posts you want to update. If you want to hide likes before posting something new, start creating a post as usual. Select your photo or video, then tap Next to reach the editing screen. Tap Next again to reach the final screen before sharing. On that final screen, tap Advanced Settings near the bottom. Look for the option Hide Like and View Counts on this post. Turn that option on to hide the like count for that new post. Tap back to return to the share screen without losing your settings. Tap Share to publish the post with likes hidden. If you change your mind later, open the post again from your profile. Tap the three dots on the post to open post settings. Tap Unhide Like Count to show the like number again. If you do not see these options, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play. After updating, restart the app and repeat the same settings steps from the menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.